Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete an email in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have two methods that I'll be showing you on how to delete an email. The first one will be selecting the email and then clicking this trash bin icon right here. Like for example, I want to delete this one and then the conversation will be easily moved to trash. The second method is clicking the email. Like for example, you have viewed the email and you want to delete it. You can also see here the delete icon, which is a trash bin, or click this three dots right here and click delete this message. And there you have it, the conversation was moved to trash. So we hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!